How to redeem Hulu gift card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem your Hulu gift card. For this, go ahead and open up any web browser and head over to hulu.com. Once you're here, you first want to sign into your account. For that, click on the login option. Then you want to enter your email address, then enter your password. After completing the verification process, you will be signed into your account. Once you have been signed in, you want to click on the profile icon at the top right corner. That's going to bring you to the overview of your account. Here, under the payment information, you will find the redeem your gift card option. Go ahead and enter your gift code in this box. Make sure that you are entering the correct code, otherwise you won't be able to redeem your gift card. Once you have entered the gift code, simply click on the redeem option. If the gift code is valid, your gift card will be redeemed, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.